Well, it seems like actor Tom Hanks is doing a little bit of spring cleaning.
You see, earlier this month, stories started popping up around the country about shops, even collectors, receiving typewriters in the mail from the award-winning actor. Alicia's here now with more about this typewriter enthusiast and a shop in Philadelphia that's getting a surprise itself.
It's so exciting. Philly Typewriter on East Passyunk Avenue in South Philly says a few weeks ago, a box came in the mail with the Santa Monica, California return address. So they opened it to find a rare typewriter inside and a special letter in an emerald green envelope.
And I slowly opened the box, and in it was a letter from Tom Hanks. This is a present for you guys, and whatever you plan to do with it is all yours.
You know, it does have Tom Hanks' autograph on the hood, and you're more than welcome to use this machine in our showroom. If you want to write a letter, if you want to type your grocery list, come in and use the machine. It's not just designed to sit on a shelf, it's designed to be used.
See, look, our photojournalist Bill Long gave the 1953 East German Rheinmetall typewriter a spin, writing a little 6ABC note for us. He says it was really cool. He felt closer to Forrest Gump, his favorite Tom Hanks character. Bill Long is a riot. Tom Hanks has about 250 typewriters in his collection. He even wrote a book about it called Uncommon Type. Now, in his letter to Philly Typewriter, he says, "You just may be giving this miracle of a machine a fuller, newer life of use," adding that this donation was helping him make more space, declutter a bit. Earlier in the month, he sent one to Massachusetts, another to upstate New York, and now here in Philly, you too can type where Tom Hanks once typed.
I like that idea. Go type my grocery list. Type something.
Yes.
They're a relic.
Yeah, pretty
Who used to use them in the news? Well, okay. Now I'm dating
Now you're dating
myself.
himself.
Wow.
I used
Vintage.
I saw pictures of
He
them.
saw a picture.
Yeah, I saw pictures.
He's not old at all. Okay,
Okay,
Alicia,
very cool.
pretty cool.
Okay.
Today